Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called Shiva Stotra. Okay, and friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called Prayer of Purity, friends. Okay, and friends, this is the sixth number video, and the topic is Prayer of Purity. Okay, so I will start. Okay. O loving Lord of compassion, Hey Prabhu, the soul of my soul, the life of my life, the mind of my mind, the ear of my ear, light of my light, and sun of the sun, give light and purity. So here, friends, Swami Sivananda ji is telling, O Lord, O God, the soul of my soul, who is the supreme of my soul, who is the life of my life, who is the life of my life. Okay, who is the mind of my mind, who is the real superconscious mind, who is the ear of my ear, and who is the light of my light. So and who is the son of my son. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling here, give light and purity to me. To he is addressing to the all the super power of this universe, who have created this universe. Let me get established in physical and mental brahmacharya. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling, I want to follow a strict brahmacharya, so you help me so that I could easily follow brahmacharya, because controlling this energy is very difficult, that everybody knows. So that we have to every day pray God, hey God, you please help me to control this energy and to give the right direction to this energy, to this creative energy, friends. Okay, by following brahmacharya, by following the practice of brahmacharya. This Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via this video, via this book, friend. Let me be pure in thought, word and deed. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling, let us be pure in thought, word and deed. So whatever we should think, our thought should come pure thought. Whatever we should speak, the words should be pure words. And the deeds, whatever things we plan to do, it should also be pure thing, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this via this topic. Give me the strength to control my indriyas and observe the Brahmacharya Vrata. So Swami Sivananda ji is appealing to God, Lord Almighty. Hey Lord, give me the strength to control my indriyas. So to control the indriya, to control the senses. So indriya is basically senses. It required, and so that I could follow the Brahmacharya Vrata. So to follow the Brahmacharya Vrata, I need power. So Swami Sivananda ji is requesting the Lord Almighty to give us power, friends. Okay, protect me from all sort of temptation of this world. Let all my indriyas be ever engaged in the sweet service. So here Swami Sivananda ji is requesting to God, hey God, please protect me from all sort of temptation. So whatever temptation we have in our life, please protect us, and all my indriya ever should get engaged in sweet service. So sweet service of Lord, like different service by helping Lord, each any service which has been created by Lord. So our life should be devoted to Lord in His sweet service, not in any kind of vasanas or in to satisfy our indriyas, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is requesting to God Almighty, wipe out the sexual samskara and vasanas, annihilate lust from my mind. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, just hey God Almighty, just wipe out all the sexual samskara and the vasana. So all the sexual samskara and vasana which we have in our mind, that thing should get completely wiped out, friends. Okay, and annihilate lust from my mind. So just remove lust in my mind. There should be no lust, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via in this topic. Make me a true brahmachari, sadachari, and urvetra yogi. So here Swami Sivananda ji is requesting God Almighty that, hey God Almighty, make me a brahmachari, make me a sadachari, and make me a urvreta yogi. So this Swami Sivananda ji is requesting to God Almighty, friends. Okay, let me be chaste in my look. Let me always walk in the path of rightness. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling, let me always chaste in look and let me always walk in the righteous. Means we should always walk in the right path, in the godly path, and always try to do sweet devotional work of God. So this Swami Sivananda ji is requesting to Lord Almighty. Make me as pure as Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayananda, Bhishma Pitamaha, Hanuman, or Lakshmana. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, make me completely pure like Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayananda, Bhishma Pitamaha, and Hanuman, and also Lakshmana. So these are the great legend. So Swami Sivananda is telling, let me make pure like this all legend, friends. Okay. Forgive all my aprada faults. I am thin. I am thin. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, just, hey Lord Almighty, just forgive me all my aprada. So whatever mistake and whatever fault I have committed in my life, right? So whatever mistake and fault I have committed in my life, just mercy me. Give me mercy from all the fault and all the crime I have committed in the life. Trahi trahi, protect. Prachodayata, enlighten my buddhi. So here, guide me, om. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling, just mercy my all the mistake which I have committed in life. Just give me release from all the mistake, and let my buddhi be enlightened. Let I be the most intelligent person in my life, and let guide me from all and make my life so that I could be and always in the right path. So at the end it is like om. So but here it is written Swami Sivananda. So friends, this topic came to an end. So in our today's topic I have covered the concept called prayer of purity. And friends, in our next topic, I am going to cover the topic called Swami Sivananda, the radiant exemplar of Brahmacharya. Okay. So friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, then you will understand it a proper way. If you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a proper way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you want to connect with me and if you want to send me email, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharya1906@gmail.com. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906@gmail.com. And friends, I always recommend everybody to read this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, which is written by Swami Sivananda ji, friends. Okay. And if you read this book, you are going to get a new dimension in your life. And everybody should start following the practice of Brahmacharya, because by practicing of Brahmacharya you will get many benefits, such as your confidence will increase, your hair quality will increase, you will look young, right? So how much also age you have completed, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, you will look young, like you will look many years young. So you will look young, you will look energetic, right? So there are many benefits of brahmacharya. So this brings to end of today's video, friends. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care. I'll meet you in the next video.